last video we have learned about the equation of the parabola in the standard form, that is y square is equals to 4ax. This is the equation of the parabola in the standard form, and the graphical representation of this parabola is like this. Now this is the parabola y square is equal to 4ax. This is focus and the coordinates of focus is a comma 0, and this is the directrix, and the equation of this directrix is x plus a is equals to 0. And this is the vertex A, and the coordinates of vertex is equals to 0, 0. And here, now this is the graphical representation of the parabola y square is equals to 4ax. And here, axis of parabola. Axis of parabola means the line which passes through the points A, S. The line which passes through the points vertex and focus of the parabola is called the axis of parabola. This is the axis of parabola, that is the line which passes through the focus and vertex of the parabola is called the axis of parabola. And first definition here, this is the first definition. And chord means this is the parabola. The line joining the 2 points on the parabola is called the chord of the parabola. The line joining 2 points on the parabola is called the chord of the parabola, which passes through 2 points of the parabola. And the next definition, focal chord. Focal chord means this is the chord passing through the focus. The chord which passes through the focus is called the focal chord. And the next definition, double ordinate. Double ordinate means suppose this is the parabola. Now the line which is perpendicular to the axis of parabola is called the double ordinate. The line here vertex, this is the vertex A, and suppose this is the focus S. Here we have the focus S is there. Now the line which is perpendicular to the axis of parabola, perpendicular to AS, is called the double ordinate. This is the double ordinate. Double ordinate. And the last definition, latus rectum. Latus rectum means the line which passes through the focus and perpendicular to the axis of parabola is called the latus rectum. The line which passes through the focus, this is the chord passing through the focus and perpendicular to AS, perpendicular to axis of parabola. Axis of parabola. Now this is called the latus rectum. So the first definition is chord. Chord means the line joining any 2 points on the parabola is called the chord of the parabola. And focal chord, the chord passing through the focus is called the focal chord. And double ordinate. Double ordinate means the line perpendicular to axis of parabola, that is perpendicular to AS is called the double ordinate. And the last definition, lattice rectum. The double ordinate passing through the focus is called the lattice rectum. That is the line perpendicular to AS and passing through the focus is called the lattice rectum. Now these are all the definitions. The first definition is axis of parabola. The line passing through focus and vertex of a parabola is called the axis of the parabola. And the second definition, chord. The line joining 2 points of a parabola is called the chord of the parabola. And focal chord. The chord passing through the focus is called the focal chord. And double ordinate. The line perpendicular to the axis of parabola is called the double ordinate. And lattice rectum. The double ordinate passing through the focus is called the lattice rectum. Now this is the chord passing through 2 points. This is the focal chord passing through the focus. This is the double ordinate perpendicular to axis of parabola. This is the lattice rectum perpendicular to axis of parabola and passing through the focus. Concept is different forms of a parabola. So the first form is y square is equals to 4ax, which is the standard form of a parabola. Y square is equal to 4ax, which is the equation of a parabola in the standard form. Now here this is the graphical representation of this parabola. This is the parabola, focus S and directrix L. Equation of directrix is x plus a is equals to 0. Focus is equals to a comma 0. This is the vertex with the coordinates are 0, 0. Now this is the first form. Now in this is the equation y square is equal to 4ax. In this case, we know that vertex is equals to, vertex A is equals to 0, 0. And focus S is equals to a comma 0. And this is the axis of parabola. Axis of parabola is nothing but x-axis here. X-axis means that is equation is y is equal to 0. These are all the formulas which are related to the first form. Now we take the second form. Here the second form is y square is equals to minus 4ax. y square equal to minus 4ax. Now the graphical representation of this parabola is like that. This is the graphical representation of the parabola y square is equals to minus 4ax. Now here vertex A, this is vertex, and focus is there. Focus S is equals to, the coordinates of S is taken as here minus a comma 0, and this is the directrix, and equation of directrix is, in this case we take the equation of directrix as x minus a is equal to 0, and the vertex A is equals to 0 comma 0. Now in this case the formulas are, the vertex A is equals to 0 comma 0. Vertex A is equals to 0 comma 0, and the focus S is equals to minus a comma 0, and axis of parabola is x-axis, that is y is equals to 0, and the equation of directrix is x minus a is equal to 0. This is the second form. And coming to the third form, the third form is x square is equals to 4ay. Now in this case the graphical representation is like that. This is the shape of the parabola, x square is equal to 4ay. Here the vertex A is equals to 0 comma 0, and this is the focus. Focus always lies inside of the parabola. So we are taking the focus here, and the coordinates of this point is equals to, here we take 0 comma a. Focus S is equal to 0 comma a, and equation of directrix is y plus a is equals to 0. Now here in this case we take the formulas. Vertex A is equals to 0 comma 0, and focus S is equals to 0 comma a. And a axis of parabola. Axis of parabola means the line passing through the vertex and focus, which is nothing but the y-axis. This is x-axis, this is y-axis. Y-axis. So equation of y-axis is x is equals to 0. This is the axis of parabola, and equation of directrix is y plus a is equals to 0. Now this is the third form, and these are all the formulas which are related to the third form. Now coming to the fourth form, this is x square is equals to minus 4ay. This is the fourth form of the parabola. Now the graphical representation is, this is the parabola, vertex A, the coordinates is equals to 0 comma 0, and the focus S is equals to, here the coordinates of focus is 0 comma minus a, and equation of directrix is y minus a is equals to 0. This is the equation of directrix. Axis of parabola is y-axis, that is x is equals to 0. Now in this case the values are, vertex A is equals to 0 comma 0, focus S is equals to 0 comma minus a, and axis of parabola means y-axis, that is x is equals to 0, and equation of directrix is y minus a equal to 0. These are all the parabolas with center 0 comma 0. Now these are all the parabolas with vertex 0 comma 0. Now we are finding the equations of the parabolas with vertex is equal to h comma k. So the first formula is, this is the, here this is the parabola y square is equals to 4ax with vertex 0 comma 0. Now we are writing the equation of the parabola with vertex h comma k, that is y minus k whole square is equals to 4a into x minus h. When we take h comma k is equal to 0 comma 0 in this equation, then what it returns the value, what it gives, y square is equal to 4ax, which is the equation of this equation. The graphical representation of this parabola is exactly same as the parabola y square is equal to 4ax. Now these two equations have the same graphical representation. Now coming to the focus, vertex is equal to, here the vertex A is equals to h comma k. So we take the vertex A is equals to h comma k here, and focus S is equals to, here already in this case we know that the focus is equals to a comma 0. Now to get the focus to this equation, simply we add the point h comma k to this point, that is h plus a comma 0 plus k, h plus a comma 0 plus k, that is equals to h plus k comma k. This is the focus of this parabola. And axis of parabola. Axis of parabola means we take the equation y minus k is equals to 0. This is nothing but the axis of parabola. And equation of directrix is, just we take the right hand side value, that is x minus h plus a is equals to 0. X minus h plus a equal to 0. This is the equation of the directrix. To remember the formulas easily, just we use these techniques. This is the axis of parabola. Axis of parabola means we take the left hand side value, and equation of directrix means we take the right hand side value by adding this number a, that is x minus h plus a is equal to 0. These are the formulas which are related to this form. Now the graphical representation of this form is like that. This is x axis and this is y axis. Now this is the parabola. Y minus k whole square is equals to 4a into x minus h. This is directrix, this is focus, this is directrix, this is vertex A is equals to h comma k. Like this is the graphical representation of this parabola. Of parabola is y minus k whole square is equals to minus 4a into x minus h, which is related to the parabola y square is equals to minus 4ax. So in this case we take that vertex is equals to h comma k, vertex A is equals to h comma k. And to get the focus S value, just here first we take the focus to this form, that is the focus of this form is equals to minus a comma 0. Now adding h comma k to this form, that is h minus a comma k. This is the focus of this form. And axis of parabola means simply we take the left hand side value, that is y minus k equal to 0. And equation of directrix means we take the right side value, which is x minus h minus a is equals to 0. Here we have the minus sign. So we are taking the equation of directrix as x minus h minus a is equals to 0. The next form is x minus h whole square is equals to 4a into y minus k, which is related to the parabola x square is equal to 4ay. Now we are comparing these two values to get the required answers. So here in this case we take the vertex A is equals to h comma k. And focus S is equals to, in this case we have the focus is equals to 0 comma a. Now we are adding h comma k to that equation, that is h comma k plus a. This is a focus to this parabola. And axis of parabola means we take this value, which is x minus h is equal to 0. And equation of directrix is y minus k plus a is equals to 0. This is the equation of directrix. And the last form, x minus h whole square is equals to minus 4a into y minus k, which is related to the parabola x square is equal to minus 4ay. Now in this case the vertex A is equals to h comma k, and focus S is equals to, focus means here we take the focus to this form, which is equals to 0 comma minus k, and adding h comma k to that value, that is h comma k minus a. This is focus value. And axis of parabola, which is x minus h is equals to 0, and equation of directrix, which is y minus k minus a is equals to 0. Now these are all the formulas, and in all cases we take the length of the lattice rectum is equals to 4a. Now these are the different forms of the parabolas, tabular form of the different forms of the parabolas. Now the first four parabolas are the equations having vertex 0 comma 0, and these are the parabolas having vertex at h comma k. And here the focus is equals to y square is equal to 4ax a comma 0 minus 4ax minus a comma 0, x square is equal to 4ay 0 comma a minus 4ay 0 comma minus a. And axis of parabola means simply we take left hand side value, that is y is equal to 0, y is equal to 0, x is equal to 0, x is equal to 0, that's all. And equation of directrix means we are taking this value, x plus a is equal to 0, x minus a is equal to 0, y plus a is equal to 0, y minus a equal to 0. These are the first four forms. And coming to the next four forms, these are the parabolas having the vertex at h comma k. Now the vertex is equal to h comma k, and focus means simply we are adding h comma k to the above focus values to get the focus of these four forms, that is h plus a comma k, h minus a comma k, h comma k plus a, h comma k minus a. And axis of parabola, that is we take the left hand side value, y minus k is equal to 0, y minus k is equal to 0, x minus h equals to 0, x minus h equals to 0. And equation of directrix, x minus h plus a is equals to 0, x minus h minus a equal to 0, y minus k plus a equal to 0, and y minus k minus a equal to 0. That's all.